Hello, welcome back to the Bloodshed, and this is my next project. It's a very rusty old hand cranked pillar drill or drill press, whichever one you want to call it. It largely works, which is a good thing. A couple of little bits and pieces are not necessarily seized up, but certainly need a freeing off. The chuck and the drill bit don't really want to move that much. It shouldn't be too much of a complicated stripped down, so we'll crack on with that and we'll see how it goes. Hope you enjoy. Got the same problem as on one of my previous builds with a thread, is that the thread closes up. So I'm just going to have to get busy with the file just to open that up a little bit so that this shaft will then come out. Should help things off a bit. Go. Had to call in the assistance of my little friend here, just to take the edges off and chamfer the end bit down, make it into a nice taper. I was getting nowhere with the file, just taking me too long. I've started cleaning up a few of these with a wire brush. As you can see, some of them have come up absolutely beautifully. The other ones are a bit too big for the wire brush anyway, so I'm going to pop those in a container with some white vinegar, leave those for a few days, and then start de-rusting them. Then we'll see what it looks like when it comes back out. Found that the wooden handle is split. You can just about see that. So all I'm going to do there is just pop some wood glue in it, clamp it up in the vise, which has got wood jaws on it, so it won't do any harm to it. Leave it for about 24 hours, and hopefully then it'll all set nicely. Then it can have a sand down and maybe a varnish or an oiling. Not sure yet. We'll wait and see. All I'm using is normal wood glue. Just push that down into the gap so it's got loads of coverage. And that's gone all the way through, as you can see. There we go. Job's a good one. I wasn't entirely sure what colour scheme I was going to go for. I plumped for blue, which is the same as my my electric pillar drill over there, which you can't see anyway. The reason I've gone for blue is just that I couldn't find an original colour on there. There was grey, there was red, a little bit of black, so who knows what colour it was going to be. As with most things, give it a quick clean down with acetone. The main body's come up really well in the blue Hammerite. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to crack on getting all the other stuff painted. So in a few seconds, as it will be, you'll see it all ready to go back together again. The only bit of an issue is I haven't been able to remove the main post from the foot. So that's just going to have to be sanded as best as I can. Not too disappointed by it because it's not going to really make an awful lot of difference, but yeah, there we go. Hopefully you'll see everything ready to go back together in a few minutes. This is the final piece in the puzzle. The handle's been given a light sanding down and a quick varnish. This was the original drill bit that was seized in the chuck when I first got it, so I thought it's only fitting just to pop it right back in there. There we go. One working drill bit. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this restoration project, and keep watching if you want to see any more similar to this. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and please feel free to subscribe. That would help my channel out massively. Thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.